Hi guys, it's Ryan, the math person. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you don't want to be bombarded with all these new videos, make sure you turn off that notification. Other than that, let's just dive right into this question. In this video, I'll be going over question 117 on SOA Exam P. So pause the video real quick and try to pound yourself. Okay, as you may template, let's just dive right in. So then this is saying calculate the probability of a portion of a claim representing the damages to the house. So that is basically calculate the probability that X, right? X is a portion of a claim representing the house is less than 0.2. Alright, so then this we just have to figure out what the f of x is, and we just have to find where the f of x is less than 0.2. They do give you the joint function, so you just have to find f of x. F of x, we know by definition, is a negative infinity to infinity of the y, integrating the f of xy dy. Okay, so then what is the range for dy? Well, let me draw the picture real quick. So then x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, and y is less than 1 minus x. So it's going to be this line right here. Y is less than 1 minus x. So if we're integrating in terms of dy, so this way, right, the upper bound is going to be actually 1 minus x, and the lower bound is going to be 0 of the f of xy, which is going to be, I'm going to throw that 6 in the outside, so you get 1 minus x minus y dy. Integrating this in terms of y, you get y minus xy minus 1/2 y squared. Integrating this from 0 to 1 minus x. The lower bound just gives you 0, so we're just going to worry about the upper bound here. The upper bound 1 minus x minus this thing right here, right? X times 1 minus x minus 1/2 1 minus x. Okay. So what does this equal to? I'm going to keep the 6 outside. You get 1 minus x minus x plus x squared minus 1/2 1 minus x. I'm just going to keep this as is. 1 minus x squared. Okay. So in this part right here, you get 1 minus 2x plus x squared minus 1/2 1 minus x squared. And then we just have to find the probability that this is less than 2. So honestly, this is not too hard. What is the upper bound of x? Well, x is bounded from 0 to 1, so the upper bound is going to be 1 to 0, keeping a 6 on the outside of this whole integral here. 1 minus 2x plus x squared minus 1/2 1 minus x squared. I mean, if I wanted to, I can factor this out, but I'd rather not because I tend to make a lot of mistakes. Oh, and we're looking for when it's less than 0.2, so this should be 0.2. Taking the antiderivative, you get x minus x squared divided by 2, that's just nothing, plus x cubed plus 1/3 minus 1/2 1 minus x cubed. So this is technically 6. Negative, so that's positive, integrating from 0 to 0.2. Plugging in the upper limit here, you're going to get 6 times, you get 0.2 minus 0.2 squared plus 0.2 cubed over 3 plus 1 minus 0.2, so that's 0.8 cubed over 6. And when I plug in 0, everything just turns 0 except the last one, negative 1/6, which is equal to 0.488. Our answer C. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye!